Hi, I'm Charlotte Claire Bidison, graduated from Adamson University. I previously worked as a waitress in Gambo for 6 months and its sister restaurant Burgo for also 6 months. In my experience, I learned to multitask and, of course, being patient. And I used to serve different people in different tables, and being a waitress, I enjoy the constant challenge. Every day is different, every shift has a new surprise, and I enjoy the challenge of handling them. My role as a waitress are welcoming the guests by greeting them with a smile, of course, and assisting them to the tables and giving them the menus. And I also like making food suggestions when they ask me, and bill out and receive the payment for the meal. And after that, I also clean the tables and prepare it for the next customers. Well, you should hire me because I am a team player and a fast learner, and I promise to give my 100% to provide the best dining experience and service possible. Thank you.